Could jumping into cold water be the key to improving your health? Today we're going to introduce you to a concept that's been around for thousands of years and is making a splash in the world of health and wellness. It's called cold plunging therapy. Picture it: a quick, invigorating dive into water so cold it takes your breath away. It might not sound like your idea of a good time, but this ancient practice, embraced by cultures across the globe, is gaining modern popularity. From the icy baths of Roman soldiers to the winter swims of Scandinavian locals, cold plunging therapy has a long, diverse history. But it's not just about tradition. There's a growing body of scientific evidence supporting the health benefits of this practice. So, how does this chilly dip lead to health benefits? Cold plunging or cold water immersion is not a new trend. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It's a practice deeply rooted in history, dating back thousands of years in diverse cultures across the globe. From the icy waters of Scandinavia, where the Vikings braved the cold for strength and resilience, to the ancient Romans who alternated between hot and cold baths as part of their bathing rituals. Even in Japan, the Shinto monks have long practiced misogi, a ritual purification involving cold water immersion. This practice was believed to cleanse the spirit and bring about good health. Across the pond, Native American tribes also recognized the healing powers of cold water, using it in sweat lodge ceremonies to promote detoxification. Evidently, the therapeutic use of cold water is a universal practice, transcending time and culture. Now that we know the history, let's delve into the science behind this icy practice. Our bodies react in fascinating ways when exposed to cold temperatures. You see, when you plunge into icy waters, your body goes through a series of rapid changes to adapt to this chilly environment. One of the first things that happens is vasoconstriction, where your blood vessels narrow to conserve heat. Following this, vasodilation occurs, where the blood vessels widen, causing an increase in blood flow to vital organs. This dance between vasoconstriction and vasodilation is a sort of workout for your circulatory system, improving your overall circulation. It's like a cardio workout without the running or the sweating, but that's not all. The cold also triggers the release of stress hormones like adrenaline and norepinephrine. This boosts your energy levels, giving you that post-plunge feeling of invigoration. Next, let's talk about fat, specifically brown fat. Unlike its cousin, the white fat, which stores energy, brown fat burns energy to generate heat. Cold exposure stimulates the conversion of white to brown fat. This is an exciting development because brown fat is considered good fat, and having more of it can aid in calorie burning and weight management. In addition to these immediate responses, cold plunging also leads to long-term physiological changes. Consistent cold exposure can enhance your immune response, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. It also revs up your metabolism, helping your body to burn calories more efficiently. Let's recap. The cold triggers a chain reaction in your body, starting with vasoconstriction and vasodilation, moving on to the release of stress hormones, and leading to the activation of brown fat. These changes result in improved circulation, an enhanced immune response, and increased metabolism. So the science is clear, but what are the tangible benefits we can expect? How do these physiological changes translate into health benefits? Cold plunging offers benefits as invigorating as the practice itself. It can alleviate inflammation and muscle soreness, mitigating the discomfort following a rigorous workout. Moreover, the mood-enhancing effects cannot be ignored. A quick dip into icy waters triggers endorphin release, potentially uplifting your spirits. Cold plunging can also affect sleep patterns. Battling insomnia or restless nights? The theory is that the immersion helps to lower body temperature, signaling your brain it's time to rest. The relaxation and mood-elevating effects also contribute to tranquil slumber. Lastly, it can bolster your immunity. The cold stimulus prompts the body to produce more white blood cells, fortifying bodily defenses. In a nutshell, cold plunging can alleviate soreness, elevate mood, enhance sleep, and fortify immunity. Researchers continue to delve into other potential advantages of this frosty therapy. Cold plunging doesn't discriminate. It offers benefits to all ages and genders. This icy therapy can be a game changer for both men and women alike. Men may find it particularly beneficial as a natural testosterone booster, while women might appreciate the skin-tightening effects. But remember, the benefits extend far beyond the superficial, with both sexes experiencing improved circulation, enhanced mood, and a bolstered immune system. Age is just a number when it comes to cold plunging. Whether you're a sprightly 20-something looking to increase your athletic performance, or a 70-something aiming to ease joint pain, cold plunging could be your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Now that we know who can benefit, how can we start incorporating this into our routines? Starting with cold plunging doesn't have to be a daunting task. The key is to begin slowly, introducing your body to the lower temperatures in a controlled and gradual manner. It's like dipping your toes into a chilly pool before diving in. You wouldn't just jump right in, would you? The same principle applies here. When it comes to temperature, a good starting point would be water that is around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cold, but not shockingly so, providing a manageable challenge for beginners. Once your body gets used to this, you can gradually decrease the temperature. Now let's talk about duration. Initially, a few seconds to a minute should suffice. Then, as your body becomes more acclimated to the cold, you can slowly extend your time in the water. Eventually, you can work your way up to 15 to 20 minutes. But remember, this isn't a race. It's about listening to your body and progressing at a pace that's comfortable for you. Next up, we have acclimation strategies. A good one to start with is controlled breathing. By focusing on your breath, you can help your body remain calm in the cold water. This, in turn, can help you stay in longer and reap more benefits. As for frequency, it varies from person to person. Some people find daily plunges beneficial, while others prefer doing it a few times a week. The key is consistency. Make it a part of your routine and stick with it to see the best results. Just as with any health practice, safety is paramount. Always listen to your body and don't push beyond your limits. If you start feeling lightheaded or overly chilled, it's time to get out. And remember, it's always a good idea to have someone nearby when you're doing a cold plunge, especially in the beginning stages. While cold plunging has numerous benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Just as we wouldn't recommend a strenuous workout to someone with certain health conditions, cold plunging too has its limitations. Individuals with cardiovascular conditions or Raynaud's disease, pregnant women, and those with severe asthma should steer clear of this icy endeavor. The abrupt change in temperature can put undue stress on the body, potentially leading to adverse reactions. Now let's talk about common risks. Hypothermia and cold shock are real concerns. The body can react unpredictably when exposed to severe cold, leading to disorientation or even loss of consciousness. But don't fret. These risks can be mitigated. Start slow. Don't dive into freezing temperatures straight away. Gradually acclimate your body to the cold and limit your initial plunges to just a few minutes. And of course, never plunge alone. Always have a buddy nearby to keep an eye out for you. With the right precautions, cold plunging can be a safe and beneficial practice. This ancient practice, steeped in tradition, has found its place in our modern world, offering us a cool way to boost our health. It's all about immersing ourselves in cold water and letting our body's natural responses take over. This icy experience triggers a cascade of physiological changes, starting at the cellular level, where cold exposure causes vasoconstriction and vasodilation, increasing blood flow to vital organs. Stress hormones like adrenaline and norepinephrine kick into high gear, preparing your body for the cold. One of the most intriguing aspects is the activation of brown fat, which has the potential to burn calories and contribute to weight loss. The benefits of this practice extend beyond the immediate physical responses. Regular cold plunging can lead to improved circulation, an enhanced immune response, and an increased metabolism. It's not just about the body, though. There are mental benefits too, such as mood enhancement, clearer thinking, and better sleep. The beauty of cold plunging therapy is that it's not exclusive to a certain demographic. Men, women, the young, and the not-so-young can all potentially benefit from this practice. Of course, as with any new health regimen, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting. This has been a journey into the icy waters of cold plunging therapy. We've explored its history, the science behind it, the health benefits, and how to safely take the plunge. If this icy plunge into health has intrigued you, we would love to hear your thoughts. Like, subscribe, and share your experiences or questions in the comments.